afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maratun Soleha. I'm from class G. Today, I would like to deliver about learning tutorial as the teacher. And then for your information, this material is about asking and giving opinion for the student in a senior high school in the 11th grade. And then for more information, you can watch this video. Thank you.
Okay, in the learning tutorial consists of opening, whiles, and closing. In the opening, there are greetings, take a break, and check attendance. And I would like to add something in the opening. There are ice-breaking and eliciting. Ice-breaking is asking about the previous material to the students, and eliciting is try to introduce about the new material by using media to the students. For example, the media is picture. And the next is in a whiles. It is present about the new material that we'll discuss in the class. Then the last is closing. There are give the students time to ask about the material. Then the teacher gives little explanation again about the material. And after that, the teacher gives the students tasks. And the last is the teacher close the teaching learning. Usually the teacher will say Hamdalah or others. Okay, we are going to the material. Then the material is asking and giving opinion. In asking and giving opinion consists of asking opinion, or in bahasa we can mention menanyakan pendapat atau opini, and giving opinion atau memberikan pendapat, agreeing with an opinion, menyetujui pendapat atau setuju dengan suatu pendapat, and the last is disagreeing with an opinion atau menolak atau tidak setuju dengan suatu pendapat. Artinya adalah tidak setuju. At the first time, I want to tell the definition of asking and giving opinion. So, asking and giving opinion is an expression used to ask, answer, or respond to an opinion. In an opinion, usually, there are several verbs that are used including believe, think, assume, agree, or do not agree. Or usually we mention disagree. Okay, here I would like to tell about the expressions of asking opinion. Or in bahasa, we can mention it menanyakan pendapat atau opini. And the expressions is, what do you think of? In bahasa is, apa pendapatmu tentang? And the next, what is your opinion? Apa pendapat Anda? And what do you think about? Apa yang Anda pikirkan? What is your idea? Apa ide Anda? How about? Bagaimana tentang? How do you feel? Bagaimana perasaan Anda? How do you think? Bagaimana menurut Anda? Then, please give me your opinion. Tolong berikan saya pendapat Anda. Give me your comment. Berikan saya sebuah komentar. Do you have opinion of? Apakah kamu mempunyai opini tentang? Do you have any idea? Apakah kamu mempunyai ide? And the last is, what is your comment? Apa komentar Anda? Okay, it's about expression of asking opinion. Okay, here I would like to tell about the expressions of giving opinion, or in bahasa we can mention it memberikan suatu pendapat. The expressions is in my opinion, in bahasa is menurutku, I personally believe, saya pribadi percaya, I tend to think that, saya cenderung berpikir demikian, it is my comment. Ini adalah komentar saya. In my view, dalam pandangan saya, I think, menurut saya, I think that, menurut saya seperti itu. I think I like it. Saya pikir saya menyukainya. I personally consider, saya pribadi mempertimbangkan, the way I see is that. Yang saya lihat adalah itu. And the last is, my comment is. In bahasa is, komentar saya adalah, okay, there are the little expressions of giving opinion or memberikan suatu pendapat. Okay, here there are the expressions of agree with the opinion, or in bahasa we can mention it menyetujui suatu pendapat atau setuju dengan suatu pendapat. The expression such as of course in bahasa is tentu saja, this is absolutely right, ini sepenuhnya benar, I agree with this opinion, saya setuju dengan pendapat ini, I agree with your opinion, saya setuju dengan pendapat Anda, that's a good point, itu poin yang bagus. And the next is I think so too, saya juga berpikir demikian, I agree with what you are saying, saya setuju dengan apa yang Anda katakan, I agree, I never thought of that. Saya setuju, saya tidak pernah memikirkan hal itu. Here there are the expressions of disagree with the opinion, or in bahasa we can say menolak or tidak setuju dengan suatu pendapat. The expressions such as I'm sorry, I don't agree with you. Maaf, saya tidak setuju dengan Anda. I can't say I agree with this, and here's why. Saya tidak bisa mengatakan saya setuju dengan ini, dan inilah sebabnya. I do not believe that. Saya tidak percaya itu. By this I mean, dengan ini maksud saya adalah, I disagree with you. Saya tidak setuju dengan Anda. I think you are wrong. Saya pikir Anda salah. That's not the same thing at all. Itu sama sekali tidak sama. I'm not sure I agree with you. Saya tidak yakin bahwa saya setuju denganmu. I don't agree with you. Saya tidak setuju denganmu. I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. Saya khawatir saya harus tidak setuju dengan Anda. It is not justified to say so. Tidak dibenarkan mengatakan demikian. I am not convinced that. Saya tidak yakin bahwa bla bla bla. Okay, now we are going to tell about the example of asking and giving opinion. Here there are Livia and Lina, Livia SA and Lina SB. The example is, Hi Livia, hello Lina, can I ask you something? Oh, okay. What is your opinion about my dress? I want to go to the party tonight, so that I ask you about this dress. In my opinion, you look so beautiful wearing this dress. Okay, thank you, Via. Anytime. As we can see here, the expression of asking opinion is, what is your opinion? And the expression of giving opinion is, in my opinion, as you can see in the sentences. And here there are the example of expression agree with the opinion. There are Zatu and Bele. Then the example is, Zatu, do you agree if we go to the beach on Friday? Of course, Bele. There is no schedule on Friday. As we can see there, the expression is of course. Then the last is the example of disagree with the opinion. Here there are Zahra and Karim. The example is, Hi Zahra, can I ask you something? Hello Karim, okay, what will you ask to me? Do you agree if we are going to the bioscope tonight? I can't say I agree with this, and here's why I say that, because I have to care my mother. She is getting sick. Oh, okay. As we can see there, the expression is I can say I agree with this, and here's why.